This video covers how to install an RBS brand ball screw with a machined end like this one. A machined journal will most likely have a smaller diameter than the root diameter of the ball screw. The thickness of this region must be built up to match the root diameter, or the ball bearings within the nut will fall out during installation. There are several methods for creating a buildup on the sleeve depending on your available materials. In this video, a thin blue plastic sheet has been used and secured with transparent tape. Make sure the sleeve surface is smooth with no wrinkles or divots. The sleeve must be consistent in outer diameter, matching the root diameter along its entire length. After the sleeve is installed, measure its outer diameter at several points to confirm consistent diameter matching the root diameter. With the sleeve installed over the journal, gently secure the ball screw in a vertical orientation. Remove the rubber band from the ball nut cardboard tube assembly, keeping the cardboard tube in place inside the ball nut. Place the ball nut cardboard tube assembly against the end of the sleeve. Gently slide the ball nut down the sleeve until it reaches the ball screw threads. Align the bottom of the return tube with the beginning of the first thread. Once aligned, continue rotating the ball nut clockwise while sliding it down onto the ball screw. Continue rotating until the ball nut is fully assembled onto the ball screw. Retain the cardboard tube and rubber band for future disassembly. If you have any questions, you can always contact our free award-winning technical support team. The link is in the description below.